folks, it's me again. Still making videos, still doing whatever. Before you watch this short video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell all your homies about my cool channel that has more talking than working. What's new this week? Not much really. I had a sore back last week. Something wacky happened in my neck, and I was moving stuff and had a sore back. Plus it's been freaking hot. It's cooling off now. I'm gonna start pulling the three-wheeler out, do some welding, do some cleaning too, and pretty much that's all there is to it really. I'm working on a three-wheeler. I will be getting back to the sandblaster. I have to put this vise back together so it's off my bench and in a place that it has a new home. Other than that, there's not much. I got a couple of new subscribers, made a couple of new teeny videos. I have another video of a totally odd topic that I'm making about coffee cups. Just some random thing. I always see these things and I'm like, you know what? It's a video just showing the difference between Canada and the US with coffee cups. It's just stupid, like the sizes. So we're getting ripped off here in Canada. That's why I buy everything in the US. They're getting ripped off too. So other than that, a couple of new Honda parts. I'll probably be ordering some more Honda parts. I'm going to be pulling the front end off this Honda very soon, even though I'm like, I don't really want to. But the place that does the sandblasting and media blasting is pretty quick at what they do. So I just got the other rack in. My second or third rack I bought. One's a little sloppy, one's pretty good. I got this one's really good. It has about probably 500 years of grime on it. Got to pull, I think, 2 bolts out of it, take something out, and then I'm going to send that one as the first demo, and I have to double check this other rack here. I'm going to have them sandblast it. Even if I did have a sandblaster, it's too big fitting it. That one I probably could save some money, but I'm going to have them sandblast this, send it back to me, and see if there's any little dents I can clear up in my welder, and take care of that, and then I'm going to send it back to them and have them paint it. So that'll be done next. I want to get that done before fall. I can't do it in here because it's too freaking humid right now. The humidity's kind of disappearing. It's getting cool at night. It's end of August. It's almost September, so we're getting there. These little red things you see right here, I got to finish painting that one and that one. Then I'm going to switch the whole entire front end. I think I have 4 triple trees. One's a total loss. One, I'll have an extra one when I take this, cut the rack off this one, and I'm probably going to fix the ends of it as a spare. And I got the shocks I have to take off, so that's what I got to order. I'm just going to try to get some, what's that, Honda, I don't know what it's called, Honda Gray. And when I take the front end off, I'm just going to do a quick coat of paint on the front. I'm not going to rebuild the shocks yet. What I'm going to do is rebuild a different set of shocks and just change the whole thing and then do it. So it just seems like an easier thing. I have a spare tank. I'm going to see if I can send it to DH Restorations and have them put some 87 decals on this. I'm going to do the tank. I got the fenders, racks going out, get that all straight and it'll look nice. Not doing a full resto on it. I might just do a minor like paint, whatever here and there. Get that running. After this is done, I'm going to try to put it somewhere. I'm building a shed too, so I'm going to probably put that one and this one in the shed for now, for the winter. And I'm going to put probably a bench here so I can see if I can put the 86 back together in a nice manner. I don't want, like I said, I'm not trying to build a Cadillac. I'm going to scratch the shit out of the frame, put it back together. I know it. It's just what happens. I got another 86 donor frame that I'm like, well, that looks good, but it's a wrecker. I'm just going to start over. So I'm going to, I don't even think the wiring harness is any good. But it's got a rear end on it that's for parts. It's got an engine that the foot pedal kickstart doesn't work, but the body of it looks good. It's got an extra spare head on it. I think it's an original engine. It's got no skid plate, and it's got a front end with a rack that's pretty much destroyed, and there's no top end, but it's got straight bars. So I'm probably going to take the bars off that and put them on here, and that's pretty much it. There's not much else. Been buying little cans of stuff here and there for cleaning and greasing parts. With that said, I'll probably I've been on eBay for about, I don't know, 20 years now, I think, and I only sold one thing on eBay, but I'm thinking of throwing some extra parts I don't need up on eBay And I'm not putting it for $500 million, because, or I'm just gonna go on the Honda group and see if anybody wants some things, because I got some 200 ES or 200M. I don't know what it's a 200 front end I don't need, and apparently the I guess it's the model that the shocks nobody makes a replacement for. You can't rebuild them, so the freaks that I got it off of welded the freaking shocks on. So with that said, it's probably no good. But there's a rack and a few other small things that somebody might want. I might just $10-15 get rid of it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget, before you vacate my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I got a couple of cool comments. Thanks for commenting. Thank you. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles.